guys, I double the first line. I double the first line so that you can have a beautiful volume. That is the essence of them adding extension to their hair, because now that they don't have, she in particular have a very beautiful hair. Her hair is so lovely and full just because of the length. That is why she decided to add to it. So when you are doing it at the first step, you have to double it. You have to double the first step so that the length will be very unique after all said and done. So the hair is going to be full, more than the way it was before, and the length is going to be changed. See the first layout. The first layout now. You can see this is the first layout, so we are going to the second. So guys, you can see that this is the second layout. You can see that the hair is already, the volume is already there. So this is the third one. We are going with the third hair now. So I'm still going to double it. I'm still going to double it because the hair is long. So we are doubling it. So guys, as you can see, as last one, I'm going to be doing that single because it's the upper part. So we don't want that place to swell up to be too much, so we have to do it just single. At times this hair can spend 3 months on their hair because it's more or less the texture of their hair. So you can spend 3 months. Some do take it 6 months. I have somebody who do take it for 6 months. She do it twice a year because our natural hair don't grow that fast, so she can digest it for 6 months. It's just for them to wash hair. They wash hair every week. Some of them wash every 2 weeks. So it all depends on the nature of job they are doing. If they are not working in a place where it's so dusty, they can wash it. They do wash twice in 2 weeks. So why some is every week. So guys, their hair is sleepy. So when you want to do their hair, if it's the first time, you can touch a little bit of water and apply it to the hair because their hair is so sleepy, so that it will not be giving you that stress to weave it before applying the extension. So pardon me in case I decided not to edit. So guys, you can see the hair we've done. See that it's super beautiful. This is it. You can see how we work everything in. This is it, guys. This is it. It is super beautiful. Then when you are doing it, you have to leave around you. You see, when she pack it up now, you will know that she's having extension in. So that is a logic. Achieve this hair. The hair is super beautiful. Okay, we didn't even finish one bundle, which is 100 grams. We didn't finish it because she don't want it to be much. You can see she's a beautiful girl. You hear that she said Bella mean is beautiful, guys. See, Maria is so happy. She's molto bacio, stammi bene a tutti. Ciao ciao, ci vediamo alla prossima.